In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make collage art in Canva. We'll walk through the exact steps to create a polished photo collage. Whether you want to use a ready-made template or build a custom layout from scratch. First, open Canva and use the search bar to type photo collage. This brings up a library of templates in different styles and sizes. Pick one that suits your vibe: minimal, playful, vintage, or bold. Templates are great because the frames and spacing are already set up, so you can focus on visuals and story. If you'd rather design your own layout, go to the Elements tab and choose Grids. Grids give you flexible, snap-to-fit sections for your images. And you can select everything from simple to photo splits to complex mosaics. Next, add your images. Click Uploads, bring in photos from your device, and drag them straight into the frames. They'll snap into place automatically. Keeping the composition clean and consistent. Use high-quality images so your final collage looks sharp. If a photo drops into the wrong spot, simply drag it to another frame until your arrangement feels balanced. Now customize the layout further. In Elements, search for frames and mix in unique shape: circles, arches, torn paper edges, to break out of the standard grid and create a more artistic look. You can resize and reposition frames to guide the viewer's eye. To fine-tune any photo, double-click it inside its frame and slide it around to find the best crop. Then use the corner handles to scale in or out so the subject sits just right. To add personality, bring in artistic elements. In Elements, try searching for dried flower, tape, paint stroke, washi, or subtle textures to layer over or around your photos. These accents add depth and style without overwhelming the images. If you want text, add a short title or caption, and choose a font that complements your aesthetic. Something clean for modern looks or a serif for a softer feel. Keep spacing consistent and avoid clutter so the photos remain the star. When you are happy with everything, it's time to export. Click Share. Then Download. Choose JPG for a smaller file size that's great for most uses, or PNG for crisp edges and graphics. Select a high-quality setting so your collage stays clear, and export. You can also share directly to social media from Canva if you prefer a quick post. That's it, your collage is ready to show off. Thanks for watching.